This particular problem will blow your mind. I need you to pause this particular video and attempt this question. This is an exponential equation that says if 2 to the power of k plus 4 to the power of k is equal to 72, find the possible value of k that satisfies this equation. So let's work on this particular problem real quick. So the first thing you want to do is to work on this base. I'm having 2 here, I'm having 4 here, so I can easily transform this to an exponent form. 2 to the power of k plus 2 to the power of 2 gives us 4, and then to the power of this particular k. So this gives us 72. So what's the next thing? According to, is it product property, or some people call it product power rule, some people call it power rule. The rule says that if I have, say, x to the power of a multiplied by b, this is the same thing as saying x to the power of b multiplied by a, like this. So what that means is that on this particular one, I could say 2 to the power of k plus, I can switch this according to this rule. I can have it to be 2 to the power of k all squared equals 72. If you compare this and this, you will know that it's exactly from this particular principle that I adopt that. Does that make sense? All right. Now, what do we need to do? This looks exactly like this. So if I could make a little statement, let me use p to be equal to 2 to the power of k, meaning that anywhere I see this 2 to the power of k, I'll replace it with p, so I can be able to get that value really quick. So I have p plus p squared equals 72. This forms a quadratic. If I rearrange this particular one, taking this over this part, I will have p squared plus p equals, I think this move becomes negative 72 equals 0. Let's factorize this real quick. For me to factorize, I will first of all open 2 parentheses like this to keep things simple for me. So, and then I will just position p here, p here. So let's look for the 2 values just real quick. I'm just using a shortcut to do that. So think of 2 consecutive numbers such that when you multiply those numbers, it gives you negative 72. When you add up those same number that multiplies to give you negative 72, it gives you positive 1. So you could think of negative 8 and 9, because negative 8 times 9 gives you negative 72. And if you add up these 2 numbers, it gives you positive 1. So I'll just place this negative 8 here and then positive 9 on this particular part, equal to 0. Pretty simple. So this is, if you can apply the zero product property that says that if these 2 quantities are equal to 0, it's either p minus 8 equal to 0 or p plus 9 equal to 0. So if I move this one over this way, I will have p equal to 8.